Well viewers, in this video we shall know how we can make use of the formula in order to calculate the percentage. So let me consider the marks that has been secured by two of the students, so Suma or and then Hari, right? So these are the two names that I have mentioned here. So and these students have secured a total sum of 545 and Hari has secured 453. So maximum marks is so they have secured 545 for 600, right? So 545 for 600. So how is that we are going to calculate the percentage of marks? So for that we'll use a formula is equal to, so I will select the total sum of scores, the column wherein the cell wherein the total sum has been placed first of summa. Okay, so this divided by, so what is the maximum marks? So this I have selected, then enter. So if you want it to be in the form of percentage, so it has displayed it. Okay, so if we just drag it, we will find the percentage of score of Hari also. So this is how we are going to find out the percentage in MS Excel. Thank you for watching this video.